into stuff. What is that? That's a digger. Digging that dirt. What's over there? Nolan, what's over there, Nolan? No, right there. Over there. Back there. Bulldozer. Whoa! Oh, look at it go! It's climbing! Whoa! Gotta stay here, Nolan. You can't leave. Look at it spin around. Can you say, hi, truck? Say hi, digger. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Look at that big truck. Oh, I think it's not going to go anywhere. Oh, what is that? Digger! The digger? Look at it go, huh? It's huge. It's a lot bigger than I've been. What is what? What do you see? What do you see? Look at the dump truck over there. Look at the dump truck right there. Got all that dirt in the back. See it? You see it right there? Dump truck. Whoa. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool, huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I think they're taking breaks now. Oh, maybe not. Nolan's wanting to inch himself closer, but he's not allowed to, right? Nolan, you're going to stay here? Oh, we're leaving, right? Nolan, you got to stay right here. Stop moving, or else we're leaving. You can't get close. Ooh, the dump truck just dumped out all the dirt, Nolan. We missed it. We missed it. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and jump. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and jump. No, no jumping. Whoa, big digger. Nolan, remember our video? That's called the caterpillar. Is that your jump? Let me see your jump. Whoa, in rock too. You did it so good. Whoa. Nolan, what's that? What's that thing? A fish. Nolan? You want to go home right now? We're going to leave then. You want to go see the bulldozer? Go watch the bulldozer. Ooh. Whoa. Stop, Nolan. Okay, stop walking. Did you see that? And there it goes. And there it goes. There goes the bulldozer. Try to get out of their way, Nolan. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see how close we got to it? Did you see that? It got so close to us. Whoa! Beep. Say bye-bye. Look at Nolan, look. He's going to dump it into the dump truck. Look, Nolan. Nolan, look. Whoa. Whoa, that thing goes back fast. Whoa. Wow, that was a small one. Wow, that's like a Nolan size one. Oh, here it goes again. Watch how fast he goes. Bulldozer gets all that stuff. Here it goes. Here it goes. Watch the dirt. Swoosh. Whoosh. What do you want about that one? What's up about that one? See, they're not using that one right now. Oh. They're not using that one right now. Because they don't need it. They need the big ones. So Nolan, then what happens to the dirt when it's in the dump truck? Where do you think that... Nolan, what do you think happens to the dirt when it goes in the dump truck? Probably going to go dump it somewhere, huh? Bye, dump truck. That's a bulldozer, Nolan. I think it's a scoop. I don't know what it is. I'm not very good at trucks, Nolan. Okay, say bye-bye. We got to see some trucks, didn't we? Nolan. Nolan, say bye-bye. Love you.
No.